Cologne, a city brimming with history, culture, and architectural marvels, stands as a captivating destination in Germany that offers a harmonious blend of ancient traditions and modern vibrancy. Nestled on the banks of the Rhine River, Cologne's iconic skyline is dominated by the twin spires of the Cologne Cathedral, which sets the tone for the city's grandeur and charm. The Cologne Cathedral, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the largest cathedrals in Europe, is a masterpiece of Gothic architecture that took centuries to complete. Its intricate facade, stunning stained glass windows, and ornate interiors evoke a sense of awe and reverence. The climb to the top of its towers offers breathtaking panoramic views of the city and the river. The Old Town, or Altstadt, is a maze of narrow cobblestone streets and picturesque squares that showcase Cologne's medieval heritage. The colorful houses, historic buildings, and lively atmosphere make it a perfect place for leisurely strolls, boutique shopping, and enjoying the local cuisine. The Museum Ludwig, located near the cathedral, is a treasure trove of modern and contemporary art, featuring works by renowned artists such as Picasso, Warhol, and Liechtenstein. Its diverse collection includes paintings, sculptures, and photography, making it a must-visit destination for art enthusiasts. Cologne's love for culture and music is evident in the numerous events and festivals that take place throughout the year. The Cologne Carnival, one of the largest street festivals in Europe, transforms the city into a colorful spectacle of parades, costumes, and festivities, celebrating local traditions and the spirit of unity. The city's scenic riverfront offers a serene escape, with parks, promenades, and river cruises that allow visitors to soak in the views of the Rhine River and Cologne's iconic landmarks. The Hohenzollern Bridge, adorned with lovelocks, is a symbol of romantic allure, and the view of the cathedral from across the river is particularly enchanting. Cologne's culinary scene is a delight for food enthusiasts, with traditional pubs, modern eateries, and bustling food markets offering a variety of flavors. The local specialty, Kölsch beer, is a must-try, best enjoyed in a traditional beer hall where the local atmosphere is vibrant and convivial. The Belgian Quarter, known for its trendy shops, cafes, and galleries, offers a contemporary twist to Cologne's historic charm. The district's creative energy and eclectic offerings make it a hub for art, fashion, and design. Cologne's allure lies in its ability to seamlessly blend its historical treasures with its modern spirit. Whether it's admiring architectural marvels, indulging in cultural experiences, exploring vibrant neighborhoods, or simply relishing the city's vibrant atmosphere, Cologne invites travelers to embark on a journey that captures the heart and soul of Germany's fourth largest city.